So this is 3 passive incomes you can make using your phone. So right now I'm on my computer, but you get the idea. If you have a smartphone, you can download Attapoll on Apple Store or Google Play. It's a survey app, as you can see what it says here. You answer these short surveys, and you'll earn money. But you can cash out to PayPal, and then from PayPal you can transfer it to your bank, or if you have a PayPal card like I do, PayPal debit card, you can just use the money that way, or you could just buy stuff online, paying through PayPal, right? That kind of stuff. So the money is instant. Like as soon as you get the minimum threshold, minimum amount to cash out is $3, the minimum. So you can make at least $3 a day for a whole month. That's $90 minimum. If you do more surveys and make more money, then you make more money. You know what I mean? That's all on you. I prefer just to make $3 here and there, mainly because I like to use the money for surveys, or use the money to pay for something like let's say I want to pay for a subscription for something, and let's say the subscription is like $5 or something. So then I use the app, make $6, make cash out, or just make $5 and cash out, and then pay for the subscription or pay for whatever I'm using the money for. So pocket change, right? The more I do, the more I make. So this is one way you can make passive income. Now this doesn't sound so passive, the fact that you have to do you have to work, as in do surveys, get paid, but they do have a referral program which allows you to make passive income, right? So you can, if you refer people to use your to use the app through your referral link, and links will be in the description for these 3 passive incomes, you will make some money, passively, without even using the app. But it's good to use the app because it's not that hard to make the money. I typically be on the train, my way to work, and just use this to make $3 real quick, and money. It doesn't hurt to have extra money. Sometimes I'd be at work using this and making money. So that's one passive income. Another one is CD accounts. High yield savings accounts, you can do the same thing with. But I like the idea of CDs because a lot of times they tend to have higher APYs, annual percentage yields. Right here, you see that they're currently low. They used to be like 1.25. They used to be more than 1%, but now they're half that. Obviously, pandemic and all that stuff is taking its toll, but eventually these things will go back up time if you can find a better bank, better place to do CDs with. So I use Ally Bank and I use the CDs, and it's fine with me. I'm not that, I make that big of a deal about the APY per se, as long as I'm getting something. The fact that my money's making money is all I really care about. I have different ways to make money, so it's not that big of a deal that this is not giving me a lot of money. I'm still getting money regardless. So you'll want to have, definitely $1,000 in one of specifically like the 12 month. You want to do 12 months. That's what I do anyway. I want to do 12 months. High yield CD, right? 12 months, and this is what I use. I specifically use the high yield CD for 12 months, and put $1,000 there, and you can easily generate more than $1 a month in they call it disperse interest disbursements. There you go. So that way your money's making money, right, and it's going into your savings. So then once the money is in your savings, then you can do whatever you want with the money. So your money's making money. So just by saving money, you're making money. So that's right there, passive in itself. The more money you put into the the CD accounts, or if you do the high yield savings accounts, your money makes money. It's simple, not hard to understand that. Don't need to explain it too much. You get the idea. Save your money and it makes money. So that's basic passive income right there. Coca-Cola stock investing, specifically dividend stocks. These are stocks. It works a lot like CDs, right? Put your money into the stock, and every month or every quarter or however many times they pay a dividend, you'll get paid a dividend. For example, Coca-Cola has a dividend yield of 2.93, so almost 3%. So you get 3% there. You want to put at least a minimum of $100 because you'll get a lot out of that. So Coca-Cola is one I recommend because it's about 3%. Horizon Technology Finance, really good one because it is 7.10, so it's 7%. So this is definitely the highest one so far I found, and that I have investments in. As you can see, I did get something, but I didn't put that much in there, and I definitely plan to put more. How much did I put in there so far? I only put $20, so put in $20, and I got a dividend payout of 12 cents, right? Doesn't sound that great, but that's only because I only put 20 bucks. So there's that. So of course, I plan to put in a lot more because the dividend yield is way higher than most of the other ones. It's just that I already have money elsewhere, that's why. But these are the main three ones I want to show that have high yields. So like I already said, Coca-Cola is about 3%. Horizon Technology Finance 7%, and Dominion Energy, this was 4% from right? Yeah, 410. So it's about 4%. So these are among the highest dividends that I have money invested in. How much I put in here so far? $10, and I made 16 cents. So those aren't big numbers, but it's because I didn't put in the hundreds. I got other dividends stocks where I have $100 in, and they easily generate me over $1 easily. But these are the three ones that I just want to share because these are really good ones because they have the highest dividend yields, and I'm definitely going to be putting money into them when I get the chance. Probably next week. I got plans for my money this week, but next week definitely be investing more into these stocks. Definitely want to get them to 100 plus, especially the Horizon one. Pretty nice with the whole 7%. I probably want to put 200 into this one right off the bat. Just immediately put 200 in there, bang, go with that. So you get the idea. Again, passive income. First step is always to try to make $1 in any shape, way, or form you can, and then go from there. Make $1, then make 10. It's always important to learn how to make $1, right? Because once you learn how to make $1, you easily can learn how to make $1 million. Because it's just a matter of taking the knowledge you have of making $1 and applying it multiple times. 10 times, 100 times, 1,000,000 times, right? And going from there. So these are things I'm doing with my phone to make passive income, on top of everything else I'm doing. So, check these out. Links will be in the description. See you in the video.